Yo, YouTube, how you doing? Chef Paul Pete. Mail call today from Left Hand Loki. Great guy. As far as advice, as far as just, watching him pick is unreal. Let's see what we got here. Oh, oh, oh. Nice. This is a Brady, looks like a lockout tag out. Very cool. Jerry up. Very cool. Euro cylinder. Thank you, brother. Ooh. Never seen one of these. Eva. Ooh, look at that keyway. Very paracentric. And a row of stickers. Awesome. All right. Keys. All right, man. What a guy. Left Hand Loki. Rock and roll, brother. You going up on the board. Great to have this. Thank you. And have a great day, everybody. Rock and roll.